Hi, my name is Joseph DeCruz, and I've been using TLM at two different companies, Diva International and Northern Digital Inc. When I was at Diva International, I was heading up the ISO regulatory department, and at Northern Digital Inc., I used TLM as a quality and regulatory affairs specialist. So when I was managing the ISO regulatory department at Diva International, we had TLM posted on our local server, and that worked out nicely for us when we were in the office. However, with COVID-19 and the pandemic, at Diva we transitioned into remote work, and we found VPNing into the office really slowed things down. What was nice about TLM is that there's a hosted version where they host TLM on their own servers, and so that worked out nicely for all the people working remotely. It was much faster, and the support was great. Our IT manager working with TLM got everything up and running, and it was smooth sailing after that. Normally during an audit, you'll print out documents and records and hand them over to the auditor for them to look at. But with TLM, I don't have to do that. I can really just boot up TLM, put it on a screen, and show it to the auditor and say, what do you want to see? Everything is nicely organized. You can follow audit trails super easy on TLM. Everything is linked to each other. And in every audit I've been in, with either the FDA, ISO audits, or customer audits, they've all raved about how well the audit has gone, and I can thank TLM for that.